So here we are, guys, with the new Volkswagen ID Buggy. This is a beach car. I mean, not a beach car, you know what I mean. When you go to the sun on the beach, this is the perfect car. It's made special for this, and crazy thing is that this car have four-wheel drive, so it has a motor behind in the rear and the motor in the front, and also battery that can produce 204 horsepower. It's quite of angry car and really beautiful, but it's special for the beach, for the California, for the sunny country where you stay all the day on the beach and only on the beach. So it's pretty cool, kind of 404, kind of off-road a little bit. It's kind of all the new technology. We go in the new era where the electric engines and battery and electricity will power the transportation. So enjoy this view with this car from the Geneva Motor Show 2019. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos with the newest car on the market, and thank you again for watching my channel. And yeah, just enjoy it. Please subscribe, comment, like my video, and I wait you soon, guys. So see you soon. Bye.